Hi, this is Jen. Welcome to our page. We would like to introduce to you Zenreach. What is Zenreach? Well, that's a great question. Jake, what is Zenreach?
Yeah, Zenreach is really a great way to engage your customers, add value to an email campaign if you're utilizing that. And it really works super simple. It works with your Wi-Fi network that you already have in place.
Awesome. Well, who would it be for?
Honestly, I find it best for people in the hospitality industry, restaurants, hotels, really any business owner out there that wants to be able to capture customer information and be able to engage with them, whether it be with specials, whether it be with new things going on with your business. So it's a great way to really engage and build a relationship with your customers.
Perfect. So it's basically used to keep people coming back, and so that you do know who's coming and going from your place. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is really cool. So I'll kind of give you guys an example. Let's say you are a restaurant owner. Someone comes in for the very first time. They log onto your Wi-Fi. What you'll get is all their demographic information, their email, and it'll actually take that customer and put them into a category as a first-time or one-time customer.
Awesome.
Automatically, it sends them a first-time customer, hey, thanks so much for visiting. Feel free to leave us a review. When they leave a review, if it's positive, it goes directly to all your social channels.
Okay.
If there is some feedback that might be negative or would be beneficial to you, it goes directly to you as the business owner so that you can adjust and make your experience even better. Furthermore, if you're getting customers that come in on a regular basis, it allows you to take them and put them into another bubble and provide them with what I call a beneficial email newsletter. So if you have a loyalty program, this will be automatically set up where every 5th time, every 10th time, however you want to set that up, when they come in, automatically they're going to be getting an email, hey, thanks so much for coming in. This is your 5th time visiting. You get a free drink or a free appetizer next time you visit. So it is a really great tool to add value to your newsletter. I know a lot of people out there are using newsletters, using an automated system. This takes your email campaign to the next level, and it really automates this for the business owner.
So as a business owner, you're saying I wouldn't have to track this for myself, but it's all automated. It would do it all for me. It would send out the the emails that you wish to go out to the certain people. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, once you set everything up, how you define your customers, it's all automatic from there. So a really great way to touch base with your customers on a regular basis and add, again, value, guys, to your email campaigns.
Okay, so my last question would be, how do we sign up for it?
Guys, there is a link, if I'm not mistaken, right below us. If you guys click there, we'll be sure to contact with you, talk to you guys about it, answer any questions you have, but feel free to click on it, and we look forward to talking with you guys soon.